this card completion. Okay, and then login, then everything we have to make this one. We have to first of all, let's move to the product, this card into the database. Okay, public function move card items to database. Okay, first of all, let's get user ID, and this one dollar cars items is equals to this get card items from cookies. Okay, and then let's loop it this one and shift to database. Okay, and here existing item is equals to card or product ID equals to card product ID, and then where user ID is equals to card user, no, not card item, but this card item and item user ID. Okay, and then where variation variation type option IDs is equals to card IDs option IDs, and then we have to get to first items. So if existing item, we have to quantity is updated, right? And then go to the, not this one, and this extra code is removed, and then else statement we need to new item as equals to new cards, then new item is equals to user ID, then new item product ID equals to card item, quantity is equals to quantity, variation type option IDs option IDs, and then everything is fine. And let's remove from the cookie. Okay, cookie name, and we need to remove this one to empty string and -1. Okay, we have to move these items in the database. If login user, then we have to automatically move to this one, and I need to if we need total quantity, then I need to remove public function get total quantity, int, then total quantity is equals to 0 for each this get cart items is cart item. Okay, that means total quantity plus cart item quantity and return total quantity. All right, same on the public function get cart count. Okay, we need to cart count. So auth user, we have to count from this one, otherwise cookie count and return this one. Okay, and where is this? It to card, update card, remove card, update quantity, remove quantity, everything, get cart items, right? Okay, one more thing, shift to database, move to cart item to database, right? Not calling. We will call this later. Okay, and then let's make cart controller. This is cart service, so let's target it class cart service. Something missing. Services cart service. Okay, spelling mistake I think. And okay, everything fine. Let's first of all login. This is a, we have to log in and register, and then add to cart we will move on. Okay, first of all I think I need to complete the login section. So first of all I need to make a login form. Okay, go to pages and create login and register. What is this? Yes, here is. Okay, let's go to the pages. Auth, this is admin login and register, and let's login dot tsx. No, make for user login t.tsx. Okay, and let's make this component first of all from the template. Get, you have to template I think, or not, you can ask me. Go to the login template, we have this template. Let's this template to react component, it will be taking the time, so I am using eCommerce layout, right? And then use react use form and I effect and use state, and this is a customer login for user login. Okay, and so to password to hide and data for email and password. Okay, and handle submit to login. This is the first request from the Inertia form data submit, and this layout for customer login submit, and the controller we have to copy from templates and then login with login sections. Okay, and we have to email address and handle submit form, and then this is a email section with validation access error, and this is a password section, and so and hide password. And then if you go there, forget password button and click to forget password, you have to this one, and if you go to this login button, and this is a down section for the don't forget section, and this is the additional design of this login section. Okay, and same for the register page. This is a register page. For this we have to change. Okay, this is we have to eCommerce layout, and this is a use form same, and show password and confirm password. This is a name, email, password and confirm password, and handle submit for register. E-commerce layout we have to ban, and go to the layout from the template, register layout. Okay, and copy this all components. Header is we have already, right? So top header no need, navigation no need. From this one container, this is we need, and here from this one. Okay, and if you see the register, this is everything, and then handle to submit. Okay, this is form. After submit we have to handle inertia react router, and then taking the form data, binding name for unchanged the name data set, and this is a class of design, then this is required, and this is a validation from the Laravel backend. Okay, same on the email address, I have to use data for data email, unchanged on the email setup, and this is class, and error for this one. Okay, same on phone number is optional, and then password section for this one. Okay, and then go to the confirm password. Let's see, little bit format is issue, let me small. All right, okay, this is a too much small. This is a password section, this is a confirm password. Okay, if you see, and this is a button, and this is a login to continue, and this is the additional link for this is already account login button, and this is all I am getting from the templates. Okay, and I am managing this one with Inertia React. There is nothing changed. Here is the some changes on click section to on password change for this on click, hide and show for password, text or password, fill after click on click, and this one. Okay, then we have to make on the router. Okay, let's go to the router. Login router already have, right? So if you see to click, not showing, right? So something we have to changes here. First of all, let's create an admin route for register and login. Okay, go to copy and make for this admin login route for the admin auth controller. Okay, let's create this controller, PSP artisan make, and controller under auth admin auth controller. Okay, if we see, go to the controller auth, there is admin auth controller. Okay, that's the admin auth controller, and let's this complete this auth controller. Okay, that is the auth controller, user and controller, auth controller for admin, and show login phase we have to Inertia React for the auth login. For login, admin login is true, right? After admin login we have to validate email and password is required, then credential we have to getting and attempt to login with this credential, right? So and go to the user, this is the we need to change something here, right? For login section, right? So we have changed this login for admin, this is admin login, and after login click for admin we have to use this one to email and password, and then credential login, and we are checking the role. If not admin, we have to log out this immediately and back to the login page. You are not authorized to admin, and session is regenerated and redirected to the admin dashboard if the login success. Okay, if any errors before this attempt, we have to email provide credential do not match in the record. So then same on the logout section for the admin login. If logout successfully, we have to log into the admin. Okay, and then let's go to the first of all where we have to change. First of all, admin login we have to check. Okay, not this one, admin login. Okay, admin controller is not imported in the route, into the route. Okay, let's first of all import direct here, and let's see this redeclare class admin auth because name is I get it, error is here. Okay, not under this admin, is under the auth. Okay, if we use this one, login is okay, admin login, and go to the login section, right? And after that, sign up page we don't need here. Let's remove from the login. We don't need to sign up. What is this? All right, let's remove this one from the sign up. Okay, good. And another is auth to customers. This is login for customer. Let's go to the customer page. Okay, created to the admin to user login. Okay, if you see, yes, oh, this is the logout. Okay, go to the login page, that is the user login. Okay, after this login, your email, right, then login we have to store and session, right? So little bit change to here, author login. Okay, if login and user is getting to the from session. Okay, we have to authenticate and session user, then we have to get the request, and if user is okay, user type is equals to user, role is user, then log out, not user then log out if admin login, and otherwise we have to session invalidate and redirect to the login session. This only for the regular user, and otherwise we have to pass to the admin to user dashboard route. Okay, that means we have to create user dashboard route also, because later it will be problem in the routing. Okay, so first of all go to the middleware. No, yes, let's first of all to the route, check out auth. Okay, fine, no issue, but I need to combine all 8 in one. That mean to the route middle word is equals to auth, and not only auth, let's comment first of all PHP artisan make use middleware user check middleware. Okay, let's go to the here and make this middleware to the user accessible. So what we have to do here, if auth from the facade, okay, try to check, and auth user is user, then next, otherwise return to the what login section. So we have to go this login section, and then fine, and middleware check. If not, here we have to admin login. Okay, if not admin login, we have to access. So there is two type of logins now for customer logins and this one, and let's make one route, this one, right? So here we have to user sig middleware class, okay, and then this class and group function, okay, and then I need to use user controller, okay. Let's create for user controller PSP artisan make controller user controller, okay. Sorry, this is a misspelling. Let's user controller, and I am creating the user controller dashboard, and let's import this controller from the user, okay. This method will be implement the later, okay. And this is a sign up, this is a register. We have to click here the login, register, login and register, right? So we have to click here login, this is customer login, and we have to use for admin login, okay. We have to change into the guard. Now normally I am middle word checking for user login and admin login, okay. So login is okay. Let's sign up first of all. Create this sign up, and I think I need to make a sign up form first of all. This card controller to the admin auth controller, no, authentication, register controller, right? We have only name and a phone number, so I think we have to add more function fields here. What we have to add, everything is fine. Let's add to the phone now only, okay. Phone, that's it, okay. So login and registration I think is completed. If we click here and login, something issues, right? So maybe what will be the issue? Let's dd request all. I'm going to create, oh, I'm going to the why. Let's say the react page dashboard not found. Oh, okay. From where I have to get best dashboard? Oh, get dashboard, bro. Okay, this is already login, but dashboard page is not found issue, right? So here is a login completed, and this is a logout. Maybe this issue will fix later, okay. Now I think is good. Login also working, and register also working, and add to card. Let's fix first of all, okay. This is add to card controller is not exist, means let's make first of all go to home page. We have to click on to add to card. There is not add to card, right? So first of all we need to go the to card controller create. I think we don't create it card controller. Okay, let's create card controller, right? So created successfully. Okay, card controller we have to create it, right? Let's first of all create methods. Public function index, right? So card service we have to pass here is a card service, and let's get to the inertia card and return to the everything from the card. Okay, return inertia, use inertia, render. Okay, what we have to render? eCommerce slash cart. Okay, and then we have to pass here what we have to pass here. Let's cart items pass here, which is this cart service get cart items, and same on total quantity. I think this total quantity and cart no need. Let's see, let's remove. Okay, only we have to send this one. Okay, so another function we need to public function store. Okay, request, and then product, and then card service is a card service. Okay, so let's first of all the request if missing merge if missing. Okay, if merge missing quantity is equals to 1. Okay, and we have to merge, and then let's data prepare data is equals to request and validate. Okay, what we have to validate? This one quantity and this one, and option IDs we need. This is maybe nullable, otherwise maybe array it will be. Okay, sometime it will become empty, otherwise it will need to array, and quantity is the nullable. Okay, nullable, and integer, and a minimum on this one. Okay, I think this one passed to the arrays. Is it okay? Comma, it's comma minimum 1. So after this get to cart pass service it to add item cart, right? So here I need to product, and then data quantity, and then data option IDs. So this option IDs we have to add to cart. Where is this product? We have to use this product and use app models product, right? So this is add to cart, and then return back with success messages, cart successfully. Okay, after that public function, let's update this cart request product and cart service. Okay, and here I need to get request, and I need to validate it. What I need to validate? Quantity now integer and integer and minimum 1 I need, right? After that option IDs is equals to request input option IDs, if not coming empty array, and then quantity we need to request quantity, and then this is a line break is not good. Let's cart service update item quantity we need product, and then quantity, and option IDs product is product. Why variable mistake? Int form. Product ID is required, right? So what is this set card? Here I need to pass product ID. That's it, right? After complete, we need to return back with message item card updated, and then public function make display product request is equals to request also I need product and cart service, and then remove this. What do we have to remove? The option IDs. We need to get less same option IDs. Okay, we have to get option IDs and cart service. Remove item from cart. Okay, remove item from cart. Remove item from cart, and we have to pass to the option ID and return back with option IDs. Okay, so let's see the home page and detail page of the cart items. Okay, eCommerce. Here we need to pass it to cart. Okay, now this is the main thing here. Okay, so let's first of all make one form. Okay, what we have to here, form is passed, Inertia React router and use form. Okay, that we form needed. and let's create one form, constant form. So use form, so use form we have to pass option IDs of record string and the number semicolon and quantity is equals to number and pass to the quantity, no, option ID is empty, quantity is 1, use form, something warning showing use form did not, use form didn't, you mean use form not from. Yes, that is the form, and we need to make one method constant add to cart, and here we need to form dot post add to cart, post route cart add and cart store. Okay, and then we have to product not a solo id need. Okay, and then pass to the on error, on success, on error, console log error, console log error. What was the error? error. Okay, error any, and here is a preserve scroll true, then preserve state true, on success no need. Okay, and this add to cart is passed to the button. Where is our add to cart? Shopping bag, right? So here we have to pass on click add to cart, and one more thing, disabled if form processing, right? That is fine. Let's go to the header and refresh. Okay, add to cart. Okay, item coming. I try to, oh, this is another dynamic. 2 is dynamic, right? So let's see the home page, header page. Cart item quantity count is cart items count, cart item count is equals to cart item count, right? So cart item count is coming from the use props. That means go to the main load and inertia under cart count we have to pass to the cart service. Okay, going to the import cart services and get the cart count. Okay, that means if we click on here, 3 is counted, right? Automatically coming. 4, yes, 4. Okay, let's go to the detail page also. Something error, yes, also here we need. Okay, so go to the first of all product detail page. Product detail page, where is this? e-commerce product detail, right? So also same use here. Okay, product add to cart, same use form. Where is the use form? Already have, right? And there is, we have to create one use form for the, there is any use form here? No. Oh, where is this URL use form? Product detail, right? So here use form, quantity, items, record, price is null. Okay, fine. So I think we have to copy this from this A2 card, right? Why we need this A2 card, same A2 card, and let's call this A2 card button. Okay, so where is our product? A2 card, quantity, this is a compute border 1 year guarantee, shopping bag, this is a disable for quantity, right? So A2 cart, quantity, processing in A2 cart. So if we go here, A2 cart already edit. Okay, and then we have to make a cart detail page and list page in the next session. Okay, thank you so much, and like and subscribe.